As an athlete, you already have a story. Your journey, your discipline, your achievements, they all shape how people see you. But your personal brand is more than your performance in sport. It's how you present yourself beyond it. Building your personal brand means showing who you are, what you stand for, and what value you bring into a professional environment. It's the combination of your mindset, your skills, and the way you communicate them. It can be as simple as how you describe yourself, how you present your experience, and how you show up online. Your personal brand should connect your sports identity with your future goals. Not just athlete, but athlete with leadership, discipline, and ambition to grow. It's about consistency. The way you speak, the way you present your story, and the way you position yourself should all align. You don't need to be perfect or have everything figured out. You just need to be clear and authentic. For example, instead of focusing only on results, you can highlight your mindset, your work ethic, and your ability to adapt and improve. These are the things that make you stand out beyond sport. Your personal brand is what people remember about you. It's your bridge between where you are now and where you want to go. Start building it with intention and let it open new opportunities for your future.